Whoa. What's that German Shepherd doing?
Where's your owner?
What's up, people? It's Dan, the Prelude dude. Welcome back to the parts, guys. And today I got a little treat for you. I've downloaded a few apps. We're going to go out there and see what 0 to 60 and quarter mile time apps are actually worth downloading and what you shouldn't waste your time with. This is not paid or anything like that, so this is going to be an honest review. So hopefully you guys like that. We're going to take the little dead loot out. It's not going to be fast. Hopefully we get better than like a 19 or something like that. But we got no hood, so that's some extra drag. But we are missing some weight, so that might be helpful. The apps that I've downloaded, I can't remember them, so I'm going to read them off to you. Are Drag Racer, Race Timer, Street Logic Lite, Racer Speedometer, Track Addict, which is supposed to be pretty good, and then Drag Racing Mobile. So I haven't messed around with them yet. We're all going to find out for the first time together, and we're just going to see which one is legit, you know, which one works. I'm excited. I hope you guys are. Let's get it going. Let's, you know, hope for something faster than a 15. Nah, it's going to be like a 19-second quarter. Ready? Let's try again. See if we can get a better So, did we learn anything?
Nope.
The car is somewhere between slow and molasses. You know, somewhere in that range falls the dead loop. 3 of the apps work pretty decent. The Drag Racer, Race Timer, and Speed Logic Lite. Those 3 apps, they're fun to mess around with. They were pretty user-friendly. The other 2 just, honestly, they were more hassle to set up and use than, you know, they were functional. One of the apps said I ran a 13. It's a win in my book. I'll take that. But, you know, another one said I did 22 seconds. You know, so GPS is everything when it comes down to that. The only accurate way you can really find your quarter mile time is by taking it to the track. And we're not doing that because I won't pass tech inspection. This whole video has been pointless, people. I just want to throw that out there. We didn't really learn anything other than don't trust the quarter mile apps. If you want something just for a benchmark, use the Drag Racer app. That's the one I thought was the most fun to mess around with, and it was the most consistent in between runs. So check that one out, compare with your buddies, whatever. Also, if you guys want to be part of the channel, you want to get featured, show your car, show off a little bit, hit me up. I'd love to check that out. For everyone who's recently subscribed, thank you. I hope you've gone back and watched the terrible videos I used to make, and hopefully you think these videos are a little bit better. But until next time, I'm Dan, the Prelude Dude, and this has been the Parts Guys. Peace.